I have many wonderful experiences there, and many of them involve coming to Hawaii, especially Maui. When you live here longer, I think most of us realize that one of the very special things about this place compared to anywhere else in America, from my perspective, is that there is a sense that this is a place by itself. It's a place on its own standing. It's not Texas in the middle of somewhere else. When you first come here, you get the tropical experience. You get the experience of pineapples and hula and Hawaiian music and all those things that make it unique. Maui means a place where I am comfortable, I am happy, I feel healthy. It is a place of surprise elements in nature. It is a place of gentle beauty. That is why most of us look outside when it's around sunset, because you never know when you're going to see something that takes your breath away. Heaven on earth, it's paradise. And that is why for the last 12 years, I have been living here, and I hope to live here for the rest of my life.